In this video, I will guide you on how to fix Grok not working. If Grok or Grok Imagine is not working, then in this video, I will show you how to fix that. The first thing you want to do is refresh your session. That you want to log out of your account. Tap on the two lines at the top left corner. Then you want to tap on this gear icon to open up your settings. Now scroll all the way down and tap on the sign out option. Once you have signed out, you want to log back in and then check if Grok Imagine is working. Next thing you want to do is clear cache of the app. For that, tap and hold on the Grok icon, then tap on this app info button. On your settings, you want to tap on the storage option, then tap on clear cache. Once that is done, open Grok and check if your issue is fixed. Next, you want to check the Grok Imagine limits. Grok Imagine's generation often has specific restrictions. Check if you've hit your hourly or daily generation limit. Ensure your prompt doesn't violate safety guidelines and verify your X Premium or Premium Pro subscription is active and hasn't lapsed. Next, you want to make sure that you have disabled the VPN. Since Grok is region locked, a VPN can trigger security blocks or slow the connection. Finally, you want to update the app. For that, head over to Play Store or App Store. Then you want to tap on the search bar and here you want to search Grok. Now, find the option of update. Go ahead and update that. This should fix any bugs within the app. Now open it and this should be working without any issue. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.